It used to house a couple hundred people, but on some days, peak COVID, it was literally just me, which is fine because A, I like to show up hungover. B, I like to take naps when I'm hungover. C, how did I get to 4? I like to drink at work, and I like to fool around with coworkers, which I did a lot of because I was completely alone. You just got to know where the cameras are. I'm not dumb, and I got to operate those cameras. So sometimes they got turned off, and I went into the lunchroom and fucked a dishwasher.